Greetings, YouTube. Good afternoon, good evening, or good night, whatever, or good morning. I missed that one. Whatever time you're watching this at. This is a demo for my bank application. So with that said, let's go ahead and get straight into it. Let's go ahead and log in with something that's invalid. We'll go ahead and see right off the bat that we are unable to log in. I did not implement a prompt system to show you that's something with that you couldn't log in right now. At least with this information, but I will implement that soon. So let's go ahead and sign up with some stuff. Let's go ahead and say our first name is Daniel. And our last name is Deankins. Or is it? Sure, that works too. Let's say our address is 9999 Mega Street. City, let's say San Antonio. State, Texas. Zip code, I don't know what there are up there, so let's go with 56767. Actually, it's probably 71759. Person ID, this is my equivalent of social security number. I named the person ID so that you do not confuse the two and accidentally put your actual social security number here. So let's go ahead and write something down. Let's go and say 505050505. It's 9 digits, the same as a social security number. Let's go ahead and choose a sex of male. We'll go ahead and use an email. That's going to be Daniel@hotmail.com. And our username will be Daniel Cool. Our password will be ice cream 2. Ice cream 2. Okay, so now with all this information, we should be able to create an account. Awesome, we're able to create an account. Let's go ahead and log in with that information. So our username was Daniel Cool, and our password was ice cream 2. And now we're able to log in, unlike before. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Let's create an account. Let's create a checkings account. Let's name it My First Checking. Checking spelled correctly. Let's leave overdraw disabled, and our password will be ice cream 2. But really quickly, let me go ahead and type in an incorrect password. So I'll just type in ice cream. It'll tell you that ice cream is not the password. So let's go ahead and put ice cream 2, and we were able to create an account. Let's create a new savings account just to show you that it works. Life savings. Let's go ahead and enable overdraw this time and verify password ice cream 2. Sign in. Awesome. Okay, so one thing to note is that overdraw is disabled on this account, and on this account it's allowed. It's enabled. Okay, very cool. So let's go ahead and move to credit cards. Let's request a new credit card. And you can see all the options here. They're pretty cool, but I like this option right here. $2 billion credit limit. That sounds good to me. We'll call this card Big Money Card. And this right here is our billing information. It does not need to match our bank account information, like our customer information. So I'll just put whatever. One feature I do plan on implementing is having 5050505 is having the user is giving the user an option to use their bank information for this information, so that they don't have to type everything out again. Verify password. Let's go ahead and put ice cream 22. Submit. Incorrect. Awesome. I knew that would be incorrect. Submit. Okay, cool. Now we have a credit card right here, and it all works. We can create a new debit card. Same kind of thing. Let's link it to our checking account. Let's name this credit card DSA, and then just fill this up with random information. Five zero five zero five zero five zero five. Verify password ice cream 2. Is it 2? I don't know if it's 2. I think it's 2. Okay, so cool. It all works. So from here, we're able to look at the history. Unfortunately, we don't have history for any of these accounts as they're as they are completely new. But what we can do is I'll go into a testing account and show you that history works there. Okay, let's view the history on this account. Okay, so from here, we're able to see we do have some transactions in the month of January and in the year 2024. So let's go ahead and view that. Okay, cool. Cool. Let's view 2023. We have a couple months in 2023 where we had something happen. Let's view them all. Okay, here we go. That's cool. This all works. All right, so same thing for savings account and for credit cards. I guess I'll show you just one credit card. But yeah, you can see that it does work. Alright, so I'm going to log back into our Daniel Cool account, and I want to show you that you can change your user information from here. So let's change our email from Hotmail. Let's say we upgraded from Hotmail to Yahoo. No, to Gmail. Okay, cool. Now let's go ahead and update information, and we can see that the information changed. Even if I went over here and came back over here, we'll be able to see that it does work. So, yeah. Last thing is requesting a loan. Let's go ahead and request a, let's say we want to buy a brand new Toyota Camry. Those are pretty nice. $35,000. Let's say we want to pay it off in about, let's say, 5 years. This is our estimated monthly payments at 6% APR because we are a generous bank. And our password is ice cream 2. Awesome, we were approved for the loan, and we can view the information here. This does overflow a little bit, which kind of annoys me, but if the screen was slightly bigger, it will work. Okay, no transaction data. Okay, so now you can see that. So that's the end of the demo. Some things I do plan on implementing, as I said before, are just complete functionality. Everything will behave the way it's supposed to. In order to implement that, I would also need to do unit testing on everything. I would also need to finalize the UI. This is just a blueprint. This is not the final form. And then I'll implement said UI. And lastly, I'll go ahead and deploy that on a server that anybody can access. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.